Racing just is started. We hold that cut. Break quickly at the start. Moving up now. That is Bronze Ace. Down on the inside is No Day is lost in the middle portion. Now is Sangang Daan. Salim comes next. Serge Boya. While Star Quality is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have hold that cat by a length and a half. Bronze Ace is right behind in second. A length further back in third. Comes Sangang Daan. Down on the inside is Serge Boy. Alongside fifth comes Salim. No Day is lost. While Star Quality is still racing in last. Back to the leader. We have hold that cat by about half length. About to throw the challenge now. What side is Bronze Ace. 4 lengths further back in third comes Sangang Daan. Then next on line now is Serge Boy. Salim comes next. No Day is lost while Star Quality is still racing in less than the fourth turn. We have Bronze Ace now takes command by a length and a half. Moving up now on the outside is Sangang Daan. Hold that cat is down on the inside third Salim. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Bronze Ace by a length and a half. Sangang Daan in second. Moving up Salim with about 150 meters more to run. We have Bronze Ace followed now by Salim. Sangang Daan. Last 50 meters Bronze Ace and finally Bronze Ace. Salim, Sangang Daan, Serge Boy, No Day is lost.
6731.
Yeah, 6-7.